That's exactly right. So the bank says, gee, I would like to offer this to my consumers. They would call up MasterCard. MasterCard will provide an API, a bundled API with all these services behind it that the bank can integrate in their app or in their e-commerce or e-banking services. And as a result, the consumer will be able to buy, sell, hold those cryptocurrencies the way they today probably do with the MasterCard stock. We will start with a number of currencies out there. We won't offer 30,000 currencies. That we will determine that based on demand and based on the comfort that we have with that. But the idea is really to offer access to these kind of services to tens of millions, if not hundreds of millions or billions of consumers out there that today haven't made the leap yet.
Hello, welcome back again with the new video of the Bitcoin. Today we are going to be talking about the two topics of the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is very bullish bear market and the MasterCard will help banks to trade the cryptocurrency. As usual, I'm not your financial advisor. So if you want to invest in the cryptocurrency in the Bitcoin or any other type of the cryptocurrency, so first contact your financial advisors. For all the videos, channel is only for educational purpose, not trading advice. So we are not responsible for any financial loss occurs. I am again requesting that subscribe to the Bitcoin Thinking channel and turning on the red notifications button. So back to the main topics, guys. The payment giants plans to announce a program Monday that will help financial institutions offer cryptocurrency trading. The company told CNBC MasterCard will act as a bridge between the Paxos, a crypto trading platform already used by the people, to offer a similar services and banks. According to the company, MasterCard and Paxos will handle regulatory compliances and the security, two core reasons for the size of the bank and avoiding the assets class of the digital economy. MasterCard Chief Digital Officer said that polling shows demand for the digital asset, but roughly 60% of the respondents said that would rather test the waters through their existing banks. There's a lot of the consumers out there, they are really interested in this and intrigued by the crypto, but would feel a lot more confidence if those services were offered by their financial institutions. MasterCard Chief Digital Officer John Lambert told CNBC in an interview, it's a little scary to some people still. Cryptocurrency, ironically, were meant to disrupt banks and the middlemen like MasterCard and the Visa. This underlying technology, blockchain, allows transactions to move without intermediaries. Like Lambert said that have not seen industry push back on their involvement. Crypto is on the cusp of really going in mainstream and still needs to team up with the incumbent players to get there, he said. It's hard to believe that cryptocurrency is truly go to the mainstream without embracing the financial industry as we know it, Lambert said. In an interview with the YouTube channel Kitco News, predictors predict about the Bitcoin could fall another 50%, repeat 2018.
The cryptocurrency markets, Bitcoin specifically, still highly correlated to the stock market, traditional markets. Some people, here's the thing, Bitcoin consolidating near the local lows. Bitcoin consolidating near 20,000. Its low from a few months ago is 17.5. And it's reminiscent of back in the bear market of 2018, 2019, when Bitcoin was consolidating near $6,000 and eventually dropped by 50%.
Bitcoin bear market will last 2 to 3 month maximum. Interview with Bitcoin analyst Philip Swift. On-chain data is showing there's a light at the end of the tunnel for the Bitcoin holders, says look into Bitcoin's creator Philip Swift. We are seeing the percentage of long-term holders peak, which typically happens in the depths of the bear market as these long-term holders don't want to take profit and the price move higher. This has the effects of the restricting available supply in the market, which in cause price to the increase with demand does eventually kick back in. We are also seeing metrics like RHODL ratio dip into their accumulations zone, which shows that extents to which euphoria has now been denied for the market. This removal of the positive sentiment is necessary for a bottom range from Bitcoin. RHODL ratio is highlighting that the close basis of recent Bitcoin purchases is significantly lower than price period 1 to 2 years ago when the market was clearly euphoric and expecting plus $100,000 for Bitcoin. So it is able to tell us when the market has reset in preparations for the next cycle to start. The macro context is very different now. While it has been painful for bulls to see Bitcoin and the crypto has heavily correlated to struggling at traditional markets, I believe we are going to see a bid on Bitcoin as confidence in major government crosses downwards beyond a point of no return. Let's take some tweets about their questions. Rect Capital tweeted that historically Bitcoin bear markets tend to find their absolute bottom price approximately 365 days after the previous bull market peak. It has been almost 300 days since the bull market peak, so if history repeats, the Bitcoin bottom is still at least 2 months away. Check out that tweet about the MasterCard banking trading. Paxos is a regulated blockchain infrastructure company building transparent and transformative financial solutions. Tweeted that we are proud to work with MasterCard, easing the way for banks and fintech to add crypto to digital wallets. In a new partnerships, MasterCard will leverage Paxos to seamlessly allow financial institutions to buy, sell, and hold crypto on behalf of the clients. Michael Mibest tweeted that today we announced Crypto Source will allow financial institutions to offer cryptocurrency trading for their customers, expands over partnerships with the Pax Global. MasterCard will help banks to offer the cryptocurrency trading. MasterCard is launching a program to let financial institutions offer cryptocurrency trading to their clients. The payments giant will act as a bridge between the Paxos, a crypto trading platform already used by PayPal and banks. MasterCard program will handle regulatory compliances and security to core reasons banks cite for avoiding the asset class. There's a lot of consumers out there that are really interested in this and integrated by the crypto, but would feel a lot more confident if those services were offered by their financial institutions, says John Lambert, MasterCard Chief Digital Officer.
On a day where things are green, actually something to talk about here. That's nice change. But just today, right? We had the disappointing number. Obviously, markets were lower. But you look at what happened. We just corrected 50% of the overall bull market that we had off those 2020 lows, okay? 3,500. That's a normal type of retracement. So we found some buyers there. Wasn't shocking. The VIX, the fear gauge, it surprisingly didn't spike massively higher this morning. And then that was maybe a clue. The options market knew something and the rally came on. Last thing for Main Street, people are really worried. Believe me, you're not the only ones confused. This year is very confusing for a lot of people. But think about this. In June 16th, we made those lows. Approximately 200 stocks in the S&P made a new low.
Carson Group Chief Market Strategist Ryan Detrick joins Yahoo Finance live anchors Dave Briggs and Sean Smith and Richly Akufo to discuss inflation's the September CPI point, measures indices rising, and how investors are bracing for the midterm elections.
These are rallies that you can rent. You don't want to own them. So you want to have your hedges and exit strategy in place, but it is a bear market rally. It's got all the hallmarks of a bear market rally. We've seen 6 of these already. It reminds me of Warren Buffett's famous line about the one thing that we know about history is that people don't learn from history. But the biggest rallies in the market historically have actually happened in bear markets, not bull markets, and this is one of them. This is the 7th bear market rally this year. And we're still down, 23% on the S&P 500.
Rosenberg Research founder David Rosenberg joins Closing Bell to discuss hedging during a bear market rally, the nonsense of the consumer spending, and the blooming credit card balance. At the end, let's take a look on the official sites of the MasterCard to bring crypto capabilities to the bank. Technology and the partnership supports to enable buy, hold, and sell of the select crypto assets. Security management, including MasterCard's identity solutions, crypto analytics, transactions monitoring, anti-money laundering, now your business and lifecycle stage, cybersecurity, and the biometrics. Crypto spend and cash out capabilities offered through a range of the products, including crypto card, open banking, and the cross-border services. Financial institutions would also be able to offer a traditional functionality using MasterCard's technology such as the digital recipients and the loyalty solutions. Crypto program management, including program design, product development, and technology implementations, as well as go to the market optimization and the market consultancy services, providing end-to-end support for banks and the issues to offer crypto programs to scale. MasterCard joins with Paxos to help the banks to offer the cryptocurrency. The payment giant will verify transactions and help bank follow compliance rules. MasterCard formed a partnerships with the crypto trading platform Paxos to offer a program program that will help financial institutions offer cryptocurrency trading, the payment company said Monday. MasterCard started the cryptocurrency program where it will help banks follow cryptocurrencies rules, verify transactions, provide anti-money laundering and identity monitoring services. CNBC reported on the offering earlier in the Monday. There is a lot of consumers out there are really interested in this and intrigued by the crypto, but would feel a lot more confident if those services were offered by their financial institutions. The payment company has earlier started a service that allows users to access the risk profile for crypto exchange. That's it for today. If you enjoyed that video, subscribe to the Bitcoin thinking channels and turning on the red notifications button so you'll never miss any for future fascinating and interesting videos like that one. So see you next time.